welcome to FinoSafe, your go-to channel for all things finance, cryptocurrency, and NFTs. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to evaluate the potential of an NFT project. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have grown in prominence in recent years and have become a hot issue in the crypto and blockchain community. With so many NFT initiatives sprouting up, it might be difficult to distinguish between the good and the poor. In this video, we'll provide you some pointers and tools to assist you to assess the viability of an NFT project. First and foremost, it is critical to investigate the project's staff. Look for details about the team members' backgrounds, experience, and track record. A strong team with an established track record in the business is an indication that the project has promise. Next, review the project's white paper and roadmap. A clear roadmap and a well-written white paper may give vital insight into the project's aims and how they intend to achieve them. The project's community and social media presence are other crucial factors to examine. A large community and an active social media presence might suggest that the project has a large following and is developing market momentum. It is also critical to assess the project's use case and prospects for adoption. A project that has a unique and novel use case that addresses a real-world problem is more likely to succeed than one that does not. Finally, it is critical to be informed of the project's existing and future competitors. A project with little to no competition or a clear edge over its competitors is more likely to succeed. It's critical to remember that no single aspect can ensure the success of an NFT project, so do your own research and make your own educated conclusions. We hope that this video has given you the tools you need to assess the possibilities of an NFT project. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our FinoSafe channel for more great information on finance, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to FinoSafe channel.